The Voss Fixtures team is here to equip and support the rest of Voss in selling and specifying fixtures. We try to be quick with our answers and solutions. But why wait for us to reply to an email if you can look up the answer yourself? With our improved help button, you can be less dependent on us, picking yourself up by your own bootstraps, so to speak. The Bootstrap Button, as we're now calling it, ties directly into the Fixtures Bootstrap database, where we've gathered answers to dozens of fixture questions. Here's how it works. Tap the button to start a search. Enter your search term, focusing on keywords. Then, select an article from the list of possible answers. You can read that article without leaving your current page in the app. If for some reason you don't find what you need, you can easily initiate a message to the Fixtures team. You can also browse all of our Bootstrap data by navigating to Frequently Asked Questions under the Support tab. Using the Bootstrap button as your primary resource for many types of questions has several big benefits. First, it gets you the answer you need faster, cutting out any back and forth email. Also, our brains engage more actively when searching for an answer than when just receiving an answer, so you'll be more likely to retain the information for future use. Finally, since you are getting answers on your own, you'll increase our capacity to handle other support requests and create other sales tools. We want the app to be a hub for Fixtures resources that meets 75% or more of your needs, enabling you to help yourself most of the time. Those boots look good on you, by the way. Of course, anytime you can't get what you need on the app, we welcome your phone calls, emails, and desk visits. After all, we're here to help.